Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people have been saying they used to stream and they did not see their watch hour, or the live stream and they did not see the watch hour they got. When they were making the live stream, they saw like 1,000 views, and after the live stream, they're only seeing 5 views. Or people engaged in their live stream, and after the live stream ended, they are only seeing, let's say, 1 minute watch hour. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly where to check your watch hour. So because if you're just checking it on your analytics, you're not going to see the exact watch hour you got from that video or that live stream. So I will be showing you where you're going to click on to see all the watch hour that you got during the live stream and after the live stream ended. If this sounds like something you're interested in, stay right till the end of this video. So this is how to check your watch hours, the hours you got from your live stream. So this is my YouTube Studio app. You can download it on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Just download YouTube Studio app on it. So once you get to it, click on this content right here. From content, click on this view all, because we want to check how much watch hour we got from a live stream. I'm going to be checking for this particular live stream. This, if you are checking from here, you are checking it wrongly. You're not going to be seeing the exact watch hour that you got from that particular live stream, because this right here means the watch hour you got after you finished that live stream. How many people, maybe after you ended the live stream, one person clicked and checked after the live stream. That's what you'll be seeing over here. So after my live stream, after I ended it, 207 people have watched it. So you are not going to be checking from here. If you're checking from here, you won't get to the exact hours. That's why a lot of people are saying, oh, after my live stream, after doing restream, I'm only seeing 0 views, I'm only seeing 1 view. After my live stream, I'm not seeing any watch hour. I only have 0 watch hour after live streaming. During that live stream, when you were doing that live stream, you don't check the watch hour that you got from it. So let's click on this analytics now for us to get it. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So 7 views means after we finish that live stream, the amount of people that rewatch our live stream after it's on our channel, that's 207. So you're not going to be checking there. If you go to the side, you see the watch hour. Can you see? If you just slide this to the side, you see the watch hour. This 6.2 watch hour means the 207 people that watched this live stream gave me 6 hours 2 minutes in the last 31 days. That's the main thing, in the last 31 days. So you're going to click on this watch time like this. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So since published, this is everything. First 24 hours, we don't need that. First 7 days, you don't need that. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be moving this to the lifetime. So you click on this lifetime part. Once you click on this lifetime part, it's going to show you all the watch hour that this particular video have generated for you during your live stream and after your live stream. So this means that I've gotten 802 watch hour after my live stream. After I ended the live stream, I got 802.5 watch hours during and after live streaming. If you go to this lifetime, even if it's 1 hour or 0 hour that you had during your live stream and after you published your live stream, after the live stream went on your channel, it's going to show you everything. If you just click on this lifetime, the difference is lifetime. Just click on this lifetime, it's going to bring you every watch hour this video have generated for you on YouTube. So 802.5 watch hours. So now you know how you can check all the watch hour you got from a particular live stream, and how you can check the number of subscribers you got from the particular live stream. If you still don't know how to check for the subscribers, you can do the same method that we used for the watch hour. It's going to show you all the subscribers you got from that particular live stream, not only after publishing the live stream or the stream. So if you're still finding it difficult to check the exact watch hour or the subscriber, leave a comment for me in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. Thank you for always coming back to my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.